Hi and welcome to the Print This channel. Today, just for you, I'm going to break a model. More precisely, I will flip the normals of a model, which will lead to unexpected, at least for me, consequences. In Blender, I connected open polygons and merged the vertices, and the model's normals went crazy. The red color means that this is the inside of the model. And it turned out that during printing, this polygon simply did not print. In fact, I had to throw this model away and make it again from scratch. And here is what I got. Subscribe, like the video, and write in the comments what I should print next. See you soon!